Hey, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to add the sound effects in your video, and most of all, how to get the sound effects. That's the most of the YouTubers are using now, and how to get the whole package and how to explore the sound effects and etc. etc. I'm going to show the three steps here. That's the going to simply going for the websites. I'm gonna show you the two websites that's help to explore your which sound effects you want. You can explore and you can listen and download it, and the one is free and another one is you have to pay some monies here. Okay, the second thing is how to get the sound effects by using the YouTube. You can see in my description, that was the link in my description. Just click the description and you can download the sound effects package, which is the most YouTubers are using now, and the most popular and funny sound effects in my description you could see, and you can download with the audio or video effect, and you can download that, and you can able to cut that each one of the sound, and you can use your videos too. So okay, alright guys, let's go to the video. Alright guys, this was the first one, this website called the Zapsplat. So you could see the all the music categories here, like animals to human voice, cartoon sounds, and you can see the all the categories here, and you can just click here and you can listen, and you can download. And another thing is you can download and you can use the free to use sound complete library with only the $10. So you have to pay it. So you could use all of these sound effects, and you can just click the any of the categories here. Plus the animal sections here, you could listen the all of these sound effects. Okay guys, this was the second thing called Audio Micro. You can see this was the second sound effects. So you can easily download this one, plus free one. So you can same as the before first one, you can see the categories and you go for the categories, and you could listen and you can download this sound effects. It was more than 2000 sound effects are here. You could see this all of the categories. Everybody put your hands in the Alright guys, this is the another thing to you can get the sound effects by using the YouTube. So just to simply go to your Creator Studio here, and go, you can see the left side options here. Just click the create one and click the audio library, so you can watch like this. And it was the free music here, plus the no copyright musics are here. You can download this one and use your videos. Okay, and just click the sound effects here, and you could see this all of the sound effects here. Download your free sound effects for your videos here, and you can go for the categories, and you can set the sound effects, and you can use your videos. Okay, and you can click the link in my description, and you could download the video or audio version of sound effect package. So you can use the most popular sound effects, and the most YouTubers and the most people are using these sound effects, and just download and use it to your video. Okay guys, I'm glad if you like, subscribe to my channel. Okay guys.